Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tejaswini Nerurkar. In this video, I will show you all Chateau de Vincennes, which is a castle near Paris. And later the same day, I met my friend Sandrine. And after meeting, yes, we were extremely delighted. And then later on during the afternoon, she proposed that we go to this place. And it's a wonderful place, it's a wonderful castle. So yes, we visited Chateau de Vincennes, that is Vincennes Castle, in the afternoon. And I will show you all the Vincennes Castle interiors and also some information on it. So let's go ahead. And here you can see there's an entrance map which is given for Chateau de Vincennes. And then there is also the monument that is there, Visit du Monument. So, you know, the timings are mentioned over there for the monument to visit when it is there. This is the courtyard of Chateau de Vincennes. When you enter inside, you see this. It's really very big inside, and it's spread on many acres inside. And then once you go steadily inside, then there you can see the Chateau de Vincennes entrance. And over here in the entrance, you can see the French flag which is there upright. And this is known as donjon. So this donjon, it is tallest in Europe. And it features a tall medieval keep, that is the donjon. And the donjon is 52 meters of height. Well, earlier it was surrounded by a moat, curtain walls and towers. And Chateau de Vincennes, it is a historical royal fortress built mainly during the 14th century under the reign of Charles V. So over time, the chateau also served other functions, notably as the state prison. And famous prisoners including Voltaire, Diderot and Marquis de Sade, and they were prisoners over here, and it became an arsenal and military headquarters later. Part of the chateau, you can see the medieval walls. Okay, these were the walls constructed during 12th century. This was originally built as a hunting lodge for King Louis VII in the 12th century, and the site was gradually transformed into a fortified royal residence. You can also see the church. The church's name is Sainte-Chapelle in Paris, and this was commissioned by Charles V, and this was intended to house royal religious relics. Coming to the chapel, you can see the grand entrance of the chapel, and well, it was really huge over there, the chapel's entrance. And then after that, once you enter inside, you can see Gothic architecture in when you see the chapel, and there are also many large stained glass windows for maximum light. So the chapel has a long narrow nave elevated on the high base, and the facade features a large rose window, a gabled roof, and a central portal with sculpted decoration. Stories from Bible are showcased over here on the glass windows. Inside the donjon, a large bell was installed in the 14th century on the upper floors, and it served both as a timekeeper for the castle and as an alarm in case of danger or attack. Now the original bell is not kept in the same place. Now it is kept in the Sainte-Chapelle inside. These are all the interiors and exteriors of Sainte-Chapelle that you can see. Today, visitors of Chateau de Vincennes can admire the architecture, walk through the donjon, and view the restored chapel with its stained glass and Gothic design, offering a window into the religious and royal life of medieval France. Thanks to Sandrine for taking out time and showing me this wonderful castle, Chateau de Vincennes. Thank you for watching this video, and do subscribe and share this with your friends, and like the video, and so that this gives me motivation to upload many more videos also of my France tour. Thank you so much. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.